Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about MAC. Now, I feel like MAC eyeshadows just have not been getting the acclaim that they should be. You remember when YouTube was every look contained a MAC eyeshadow? And I feel like now, unless it's like a collection, like a really good collection, it's like, okay, MAC. Yeah, MAC is there, but there's this brand here, this brand here. So I just wanted to do a look with the MAC MAC eyeshadows from the permanent collection. So I created my own pans. These are my, I have more, but these are the ones that I keep because I like on hand here. And then I also have my mattes in this one here. Oh, that's kind of bright. Let's try to get it open. Right, okay, sorry. Technical difficulty, hold on. All right, so here. So, you know, my mattes are here, and yes, I do write the names on them so that I would know what they are when I want, if I was ever to do a tutorial like this one. And yeah, so I'm gonna do a look with MAC eyeshadow permanent collection. So if you'd like to see this video, just keep watching. All right, guys, so time for the eyeshadow. The first thing I'm going to do, of course, is always to try to get my eyelids to look one single color. I'm going to do that by using cork. Cork is this color right here. This is the color that I used to use all the time. So that is why it is near pan. I'm just going to take a really fluffy brush and go ahead and apply it to my eyelids. All right, so now I'm going to use Saddle. Saddle is my transition color. As you can see, I hit pan on that as well. Saddle is a great color for my skin tone, and darker to make it as a transition color. So basically it gives that depth but without a whole bunch of color. Okay, so for my outer V area, I am going to use Brown Down. Brown Down is this color right here, and it is like a deeper, paler brown. This is a domed brush, by the way, and I feel like this gives like the best placement besides this, and then just a thin tapered brush. Those two would be the best options. I'm gonna take my brush that I was using for Saddle to kind of just blend that outer V area out a little bit, especially on this side. Now for my lid color, I am going to use a color that in my pan is, you can tell I definitely use this color a lot. That is going to be this gold color right here, and this is Amber Lights. I love the way this looks. I'm going to swatch it on my hand for you guys so that you can see just how cute it is on my skin tone. So I love that color because I feel like it's a gold color, but it's a subtle gold color. So you can, like, you know, get away with it wearing it at work and things of that nature because it's real subtle. So for this application, I'm going to take a shader brush and just apply it. Oh my gosh, I just looked at the name of this brush. This is a Coastal Scents brush. Do you guys remember Coastal Scents? I used to love, that was like my first brush. Sorry. It was like my first brush company that I used. I thought, oh my gosh, I was big time. I was above e.l.f. and here you go Coastal Scents. And I love the way that they mimic the, you know, the look of a Sigma brush. So I'm just gonna apply Amber Lights to my lid. See, I think it's like almost a natural look, but you still have something there. And for my skin tone, it kind of, you know, enhances the eyelid and everything like that. So I'm gonna be right back because I am gonna apply some right in here. And to apply the Amber Lights color to my inner corner, I'm going to use the Sigma shader inner corner brush. This is how this brush looks, and I'm just going to apply it my inner corner. So I did my inner corner and right here because I find with Amber Lights, this is the type of color, if you can notice, that it makes my eyes look more open, like I look more awake. So even though I feel really sleepy, I look a lot more awake. All right, guys, so this is the completed look using the eyeshadows from MAC from the Permanent Collection. Let's not sleep on MAC. Let's remember MAC and remember that besides Fix Plus, they make some amazing eyeshadows. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until my next one, bye, guys. Oh, wait, shout out to my babies, Charlotte, Mary, Martha, my little prince. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye-bye. Love everybody. Bye.